Guys, you already know that TikTok is banned in some countries like Afghanistan, Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, India, United States, United Kingdom, and many more. If you are from India, then you will not be able to create TikTok account. Similarly, PayPal is banned in some countries like Pakistan, Lebanon, Iran, Iraq, and many more. If you are from Pakistan, then you will not be able to create PayPal account. If you are from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, if you are working on AdMo but your earning is low, if you are working on adsterra network but your earning is low, then you should watch this full video without skipping. In this video, I'm going to solve all these problems. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on Gologin platform. Link is given in this video description box below. Guys, this is a best platform to create TikTok account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, eBay account, Amazon account, Google account from anywhere in the world. If you are from India and if you want to create USA Facebook account, then you can use this platform to create USA Facebook account. If TikTok is banned in your country, then you can use this platform to create TikTok account. You can create any kind of account anonymously. You can create hundreds of Facebook account in just one browser, thousands of Facebook account in just one browser. Gologin is best and trusted platform. You can manage all your accounts safely from one device. Here you can see no bans or suspicious logins on any site. Access accounts from any location. You can share accounts easily with any team member. Let me show you how Gologin works. Gologin creates a unique digital identity for each account. Gologin will provide you secured Chrome browser. You can use that Chrome browser to create USA Facebook account. You can create TikTok account from any location. You can create Instagram account from any location. This platform will provide you 12x cheaper and faster browser. You do not need to worry about VPN. Here you can see ideal for managing accounts across all services. You can manage Facebook account, Amazon account, eBay account, LinkedIn, Reddit account, Instagram account, TikTok, Google Ads, Gmail account, Meta, X, YouTube, Pinterest, and many more. You can scroll down. You can click on download button. Guys, if you have Windows, then you can click here to download this software. If you have Linux, then you can click here to download this software. If you have mobile device, then you can scan this code to download this application. In my case, I'm using Windows. Here you can see this software is downloading. After downloading this software, you can install it in your device. Now you can click on sign in button. Now you can click here. You can continue with Google, or you can type here your email address. You can type here your password. You can confirm password. Now you can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see all profiles. You can click here to add profile. You can type your profile name. If you want to create USA TikTok account, then you can type your TikTok USA. If you want to create USA Facebook account, then you can type your Facebook USA. You can create UK TikTok account, Germany TikTok account, Brazil TikTok account, USA Facebook account. You can create multiple accounts sitting at your home. Here you can see Gologin proxy, your proxy without proxy. If you have your own proxy, then you can select here your proxy. I don't have any proxy, I'm going to use Gologin proxy. Now you can select your country. If you want to create USA Facebook account, USA TikTok account, USA Instagram account, then you can select your United States. Now you can click on check proxy button. Here you can see you will get 0.49 GB in free. You can click on create profile button. Now you can click on Run button. Click on View button. Here you can see this platform has provided anti-detected browser. You can use this browser to create any kind of account. Let me show you how you can set up another profile. Click on Add Profile button. You can type your profile name. If you are from Nigeria and if you want to create USA Facebook account, then you can type your USA Facebook. Now you can click on Overview button. You can select your operating system. I'm using Windows 10. You can click here to add fingerprint. You can click on Proxy button. You can select your proxy. You can select Gologin proxy. Now you can select your country. Here you can see you can create France Facebook account, Germany Facebook account, United Kingdom Facebook account, United States Facebook account, Australia Facebook account. You can click on United States. Now you can click on Check Proxy button. Here you can see you can get 0.49 GB in free. You can click on Extensions button. You can click here to add extensions of Gologin platform. Now you can click on Create Profile button. Here you can see USA Facebook profile created successfully on Gologin platform. Let me show you how you can use this profile. You can click on Run button. Now you can click on View button. Yeah, here we go. This platform has provided secured Chrome browser. You can open Google and you can search your Facebook. You can click here to open this URL. Now you can click on Sign up for Facebook button. You can type here your first name. You can type here your last name. You can type here your date of birth. You can select here your gender. You can type here your email address. You can type here your password. And at last you can click on Sign up button. Guys, you can create USA Facebook account sitting at your home. Similarly, you can create Singapore profile. You can visit on TikTok platform and then you can click on Login button. Now you can click on Sign up button. Here you can see you can sign up using your email address. You can continue with your Google account. You can click on Sign up with email button. Now you can select here your date of birth. You can type here your email address. You can type your password. You can click on Get Code button. This platform will send you code on your email address. You can paste here that code. Now you can enable this option. And at last you can click on Next button. Guys, you can easily create TikTok account using this browser. You can create USA Instagram account. You can create Singapore Facebook account. After creating Singapore Facebook account, you can create Facebook group related to make money online. You can share your website on Facebook groups every day. You can get visitors from Singapore. You can also share your application on a Facebook group. Similarly, you can create USA Facebook account. You can share your website on USA Facebook profile. You can get visitors from United States. You can also create PayPal account from any location. If you will get visitors from top countries, then your CPM will be increased. Your earning will be increased. You will get trial account for 7 days. Let me show you its plan. Here you can see 4 types of subscription: professional, business, enterprise, and custom. If you choose this plan, then you will get all of these benefits. If you choose business plan, then you will get all of these benefits. You can create 300 unique profiles. If you choose enterprise plan, then you can get all of these benefits. You can create 1000 unique profiles, more than 20 members, 2 GB of location data. Here you can see price. For this plan, you will have to pay $199 per month. If you choose business plan, then you will have to pay $99 per month. The best thing about this platform is that this platform will provide you 24/7 expert support. Here you can see 14 days free returns. This platform is trusted by top professionals. Here you can see customers review. This is a very useful and secure tool for managing multiple online accounts. The user-friendly interface makes it ideal for users who need to manage multiple online accounts securely. You can use my coupon code to get 40% discount. You can check link in the description for more details. So friends, take advantage of this platform without getting late. Link is given in this video description box below. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.